one of the nice things about being in school is that you do get to kind of try out your communication skills in a safe environment. And so I would say if you feel like you don't have a lot of confidence in your communication skills, look for opportunities at school to participate in Toastmasters. Most colleges and universities have a chapter. Be that person who puts up their hand to present group work, because that's really important. Don't be afraid to try writing things. So, your profs are probably always asking you to participate in group chats, and, try to go a little further, because you never get in trouble for writing a slightly longer post in a group chat. And I would say the other thing too is, if you're not, if you think you want to work on some communication skill, whether it's writing or working with PowerPoint or speaking in front of a room, let your professors know that those are opportunities you want, and I promise you they will do their very best to put you in those situations so that you can learn them in a good, safe place.